Hello and welcome back. So in this video we will cover the text formatting and comments, how we write comments in HTML. So these are some paragraphs and we will play with this paragraph. So first of all we will know how to highlight the text. So first tag is used is mark. So mark tag is basically highlight the text. As right here you can use the mark tag to highlight the text. So the text in mark tag is highlighted as you see here. You can. So next one is to delete the text. So del tag is used. This so the text between the del tag is meant to be treated as deleted text. So let's save this and see the difference. So this will look like this. This is and mark tag highlight, and this one is del tag. Okay. The next tag is used to be treated as no longer accurate, same as del tag. No, so as I said before, this is same as del tag. So to underline the text, we use the U tag. So the text between the U tag will be treated as an underline. This line of text will render as underline. So underline the text. So next one is fine print. This is basically it's used to small the text. It will decrease the size. So let's add this and see in our browser. So the line of text fine print, it will small the text. Next one is to bold the text. strong strong tag. This line rendered as a bold text. So let's save this and look in our browser. So this line rendered as a bold text. So the next one is this will emphasize the text. So let's save this, and so this line rendered as italicized text. Next one is using italic I tag. Yeah, I tag is used. This is italic text. So text between the I tag is rendered as italic text. So now comments. Yeah. So how to write comments in HTML? You need to write less than exclamation dash 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 greater than. So the code between this is treated as comment. The comments are very useful when you write the code. So this is comment and it will not show in our browser as you see here. So everything inside the comment will not be shown in our browser. So let's comment out this code. So as is less than exclamation dash 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 greater than. Oops. So our code is now commented out. So it will not show in our browser. Let's save this, and so no more. This is italic text is now no more. So I think that's it for this video. In the next section we will cover some basics of Bootstrap and CSS.